Joduela Water Falls, located in the picturesque region of Gomara, Sri Lanka, is a stunning natural attraction that captivates visitors with its serene beauty and cascading waters. With a remarkable rating of 4.6 stars based on 255 reviews, it has become a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The falls are surrounded by lush greenery and offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're looking to take in the breathtaking views, enjoy a refreshing swim, or simply immerse yourself in the peaceful ambience, Joduela Water Falls promises an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the enchanting scenery and create lasting memories.